Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. KTM introduced in 2023 the facelifted model of the KTM 890 Adventure. And that was a good opportunity for us to design the improved version of the fairing kit for this motorbike and give you some extra features for the adventure riding. The core and the main differentiator of the RG fairing kit is the carbon tower. We used to do the carbon towers over several years, and now we gathered all the experiences and the customer feedback and we translated it into the new carbon tower for the KTM 890 Adventure. We designed it in a way that is stiff, stable, but it has also good portion of flexibility to absorb the hard shock when riding the hard terrain. And on top of it, we reduced the weight. When you compare the RG fairing kit against the OEM setup, we saved almost 1 kg, which is pretty significant when riding the hard terrain because it helps the handling of the motorbike, because we are speaking about something what is on top and in front of the motorbike. The RG carbon tower is made from prepreg in autoclave under high pressure and temperature. It is actually produced the same way as the carbon parts in aviation, Formula 1 or on Dakar factory motorbikes. To get the best combination of stiffness, flexibility and low weight, we use variable amount of layers. The basic are 3 carbon layers, but wherever you see any holes, we further reinforce this area, and especially here in the neck part, where goes the biggest forces, we use 8 layers of carbon material, and here, where are the holes to mount the tower to the motorbike, we use the stainless steel metal sheets that are inserted in between the carbon layers. Because we fully trust the quality and durability of the RG carbon tower, we give you the lifetime guarantee. Even if you crash, and we cross fingers, you better not, and you destroy the carbon tower, which is not easy at all, we will change it for you like this. When designing this fairing kit, durability and endurance were very critical parameters for us. That's why we selected the materials and we did the design of the kit in a way that is as much crash-proof as possible. The windshield is made from Lexan and the side panels are made from ABS. Both are very flexible materials, not easy to crack. The windshield holders sit on silent blocks that gives additional flexibility to the solution. In the end, the solution is very stable, even if you ride on a stone and the whole bike is shaking. But on the other hand, it's also very flexible and it's ready for some of your hits. So when you take it all together, the materials, the design, the silent blocks, is increasing the probability you will come back home in one piece. The safety feature of the RG fairing kit are the strong LED headlights, the high beam and the low beam. They have input of 70 watts, which is 10% more than the OEM light, but the more important is luminosity. It means the amount of light you get in a certain direction. And here we are getting way better performance than the OEM headlight, especially because we use the original Cree chipset and the true class optics. One more but very important remark, especially for the European customers. The headlights are road legal with ECE certification for the high beam as well as for the low beam. And one more note, They are uniform for the left hand and the right hand traffic. The copy of the certificate you will get in a box together with the headlights. We do many travels ourselves, so we know how important is the space for navigation in a good viewpoint. That's why the RADE fairing kit is coming with a crossbar. And moreover, the crossbar is mounted on the silent blocks that are reducing the vibrations going to your device. To simplify the fitment of any device to the crossbar, the part of the fairing kit is a platform, so-called Garmin adapter, that is directly compatible with the RAM mount or with a Garmin cradle, or it can be used for any other device holder, and it makes then the installation to the crossbar very easy. You can mount the platform vertically, even in 2 positions, or you can mount it horizontally, and then you can set up a proper angle to have the best viewpoint on your device. You can see you can fit in a cockpit even a big tablet, or you can place there 2 smaller devices, one next to each other. The devices needs to be charged, of course, so the tower has 2 holes for the USB slots. The original cockpit has 1 USB slot, so we expect you take the OEM USB port and you place it here. And if you want the second USB port, then you have to buy it from KTM or from us, and then you can simply place it here. And one small practical feature coming with this new 890 fairing kit, this small bracket or holder where you can easily zip tie or Velcro first aid kit, or any other small pocket where you can store things that is good to have close to your hands. With the new RADE 890 fairing kit, you will get stable but also a flexible package that will ensure long durability. You will get unique carbon tower that is saving a lot of weight. Yeah. You get strong LED headlights, more space for navigation, and last but not least, the new fairing kit will change the look of your bike more into the RADE style. So if you like it, please order on our eShop.